Hi everyone. In this video, we're learning a super useful trick: how to instantly crop parts of your AutoCAD drawing using the exttrim command, and then how to clean up everything outside or inside a boundary with two powerful ready-made tools. Let's begin. First, type exttrim in the command line and hit Enter. AutoCAD will ask you to select a closed boundary. This could be a rectangle, a circle, a polyline, anything closed. Once you select the boundary, simply click outside the boundary. And just like that, AutoCAD trims everything that crosses the edge. But here's something most users don't notice. exttrim trims only the portions of lines that cross the boundary. However, the objects completely outside the boundary still remain. So what do? Delete them one by one? No need. Just load a free tool called 120_erase_out.fas. Go to Upload, load the file, then type EOP at the command prompt. Now select the same boundary you used for exttrim. And watch. All objects outside the boundary are instantly erased. In the same way, you can also clean up everything inside the boundary. Just upload 101_erase_ in.fas, then type EIP at the command prompt. Select the boundary, and the program automatically deletes all the objects within it. The program doesn't just work on rectangular shapes. You can select a polyline of any shape and choose to erase all entities outside or only those inside it. The program still performs flawlessly. You can download both programs from the link in the description below. If you found this tip useful, make sure to like the video, share it with your AutoCAD team, and don't forget to subscribe for more time-saving CAD tricks. Thank you so much for watching.